Hello there. Right, okay, so I've managed to find on Amazon that you can get a kit to make up your own leads for these small servos, okay, for the Frsky Archer Plus. Now the plugs that you need to get are the JST SH with a 1mm spacing. Okay, so it says SH 1mm spacing. Now the pack does come with 3-pin, 4-pin, 5-pin, loads of pins, some heat shrink, some tweezers, and all the different coloured wires. Now there are a lot of coloured wires in there. Okay, so you've got your red, your black, yellow, green, and a blue one. Okay, now beauty of it is it all comes with a pre-crimped end on each end, so you don't have to struggle doing that, but you do need to make up your plug. Okay, now for our receiver, we need to make up a 3-pin one. Okay, now I'm just going to show you quickly how that is done. Okay, now don't worry about the colours. Remember, the receiver does not know what colour that wire is on the end of it. All that does matter is that you do get them correct. So this one here has red, black and yellow, but I'm going to use red, black and white. Okay, I'll use it, which is the standard colours really. Okay, so I'm just going to show you quickly how that's done. Okay, so, or how I do it. So the white plug, hold with the holes upwards. Okay, get your red one because that will be your centre one. Now you'll notice that there's a bit that sticks down. Okay, so the bit that sticks down, that goes down, and while you can see the holes, and that goes in the centre. Okay, just simply push that in until it's locked, so that don't come out. That's in. Okay, the next one we'll do the white one. Okay, now as I said, on this one here we've got a yellow one. It doesn't really matter, but the yellow is on the outside while you're holding it up. Again, make sure that the little pin sticks downwards, and that will go on the outside. I'm going to push that in there. Now if you find it a bit hard there, it does come with tweezers, so you can grab hold of it and push it in firmly. Okay, so the last one now we've got here is our black one. Again, make sure that the little, it's going to be harder for you to see on there, but the little thing is pointing down. That comes on the outer one nearest to me while holding it with the pins up. Now that one is hard to push in. It's crimped over, it's bent over there. So I'm going to use these tweezers to push it in. There we go, that's in. Just get a little tug, make sure it doesn't come out. Okay, so there we go, we have now made up our lead. Okay, so as you can see, I can see that the holes there have white on the outside, red in the middle and black on the outside. So white is right, but again, you can use any colour you want there. It doesn't have to be those colours. It does come with a lot of colours, but you're not going to have enough plugs. So these I've got so that I can make up my own servo leads. So servos may come with that plug, may come with a different plug. Doesn't really matter what you want, as long as it plugs in there. Okay, so it's going to be impossible for me to desolder and solder a new lead on there. Would have been nice, because then I would have it sorted. So for me, what I'm going to do is split this wire and solder these wires to those wires. That I will find easier. I can use the heat shrink to do it up. I'm done. That will be the easiest way for me to do that. But when it comes to my speed controls, when I do need to put wires on, obviously I will solder that on there. Okay, with the plugs. Now it would have been nice if I could find where I got these ones from. Now these ones are crimp-on, so there's no pins. You literally cut the plug off, and push the wires into the slot and crimp it down, and that's it. It would have been nice. The only drawback of those though, as you can see, I've made one up here with the standard servo socket on, so that I can plug my servo in there like that. Okay, so that standard one will go on there. I will make some of these up as well, so I can do that. And the only drawback of that though is I've now got this added weight. When it comes to indoor models, you need to keep the weight right down. Okay, so that's the issue there, but yeah, it would have been nice there. So there you go, quick, just showing you that.